Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful lace pattern for you. Especially this pattern is meant for ladies shawls, frocks, cardigans. For this pattern I have made designer cast on. From backside our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 7 stitches plus 2 stitches to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for the border, and this pattern is of 4 rows. For demonstration I have taken 18 stitches, multiple of 7 2 times 14 stitches plus 2 stitches to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for edge. So let us start now. This is our first row. Slip first stitch and then purl 2 stitches. Now this is our repeat pattern. Knit 5 stitches, 3, 4 and 5. After that purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. This is our first repeat pattern. Now again second repeat, knit 5 stitches, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. This is our second repeat pattern and purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our first row. Now second row from wrong side. Slip first stitch and then purl all stitches. Complete row with all purl stitches. Now this is our last 2 stitches, purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our second row from back side. Now third row from front side. Slip first stitch and then purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now repeat pattern. Knit 2 stitches together from front loop and then yarn over and knit 1 stitch, again yarn over and SSK. SSK means slip, slip and then knit 2 stitches together from back loop. And then purl 2 stitches. First repeat pattern completed. Now again second repeat pattern. Knit 2 stitches together from front loop, yarn over, knit 1 stitch, yarn over and now slip 2 stitches purlwise and then twist and place on left needle and knit 2 stitches together from back loop. Now purl 2 stitches. This is our second repeat pattern. Now purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our third row. Now fourth row from wrong side. Slip first edge stitch and then purl all stitches. Purl all stitches including yarn over. Complete row with purl stitches. Purl last stitch and purl edge stitch also. Here we have completed our fourth row and also last row of our pattern. Repeat these 4 rows until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then please like and share it, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends. Bye bye. See you.